Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video where I will be showing you how to lock screen while watching YouTube videos in Android. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay you'll simply step into our video. So if you want to do so, there is a feature available. What you're going to do is simply go to your settings option, go to this option called security, go to this more settings, go down, tap on the screen pinning, which is actually, you can see it's on, right? So I will go back. You can simply go ahead and turn it on as well, guys. If you want passwords, you turn it on as well. Then you will go back and open a YouTube now. So for example, this is the video, right? So I will do this, go back to the background, and then you will be able to this kind of this icon right beside this lock icon. Simply go ahead, tap. This will turn it to be like this, right? So even if I do not actually have to exit YouTube, right? It will still be there. I can still go ahead and browse any of this stuff while playing this. I can browse any of the stuff right there, and my YouTube will still be in the background, and it will actually look like this. This is my icon, but you will have a YouTube's icon right there, and it will be hidden for you to comfortably use as well. So if you want to go ahead, open a YouTube, go ahead, tap on it, and this will simply open your YouTube, and you can simply browse like that as well. And if you would like to remove it, what you're gonna do is simply go ahead, long press, then you will see this delete icon. Simply go ahead, drop it there, and it's removed as well. So this is the way you can do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if you got more concerns regarding settings and stuff, do let us know in the comments. And yeah, I will see you guys next time.